Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will learn how to search files and folders. It's a very interesting and very useful. We come across saving the files in our folders in different locations. Okay, it can be uh, desktop downloads, okay, or these many locations or other drives. Sometimes what may happen, we save our files somewhere and we search somewhere else. Sometimes what may happen, that file will be there in front of us but we will skip it. So this kind of mistakes may happen. So how to search for the files? If we have any information related to the file, we can get that file. So let us see how to search for files and folders. Okay, so here I have opened a folder, right? In this folder, see, Excel files are there, Word files are there, okay, PDF file is also there, and Notepad files also there here. Okay, different format files are there. Now what I want to search here, uh, MS Office notes file is there, but it is not appearing for me. Okay, I searched all about the folder, all the files, but I did not got it. And sometimes I'm not sure whether it is there in this folder or somewhere else. So what I will do, okay, if I know, if I think that that file is definitely in this folder only, then I will come here, means what, I will open this folder and I will click in this search box, and I will click in this search box. After clicking here, what is the name of the file? If I remember some part of the file name, that's enough for me to locate that for file. So office, when I type the word office, whatever the file contains, whatever the file name contains and whatever the file content may contain, file content means what, inside the file the information will be there, no, that is what content. Okay, file name may have that spelling, or sometimes what may have in that file name, that spelling might be there. See here in the file name, that spelling is not there, but inside that file, see, when I open that cover page file, you see here office, that word is there here. So it will search even inside the file also. How great it is it not? And here you see, and in this spelling also, office, the word office is not there inside that file, this spelling is there. Okay, so in this way it will search. So in all these files, either it can be in the file name or it can be the content that is there here. Okay, like this. Now I got my file, MS Office Notes. Yes, done. Now I will close this. Now this time what I want to do, I want to search for RK files. I want, with whatever the files are having with name RK, I want to search those files. Here two files are there with spelling RK. Okay, one is in Excel format and another is Notepad format. Okay, so here only two files are there, no problem. Okay, I can easily pick up the one that I require. But sometimes what may happen, some hundreds of files Excel and hundreds of file Notepad will be there. Okay, then what I want to have only Excel files. For which format file I am looking for? I am looking for the file which is created in Excel. Okay, file name should be RK and it should belongs to Excel program. So how should I tell the Windows program, okay, Windows operating system, to search for this kind of combination? Then what I will do, so here one thing I want to tell you at this point. So file name will have two parts. Okay, file name will have two parts. One is the file name and second is the extension name. File name, you know, see, RK is the file name. Extension name is what I will show you here. See, when you right click on any file, not folder, any file, when you see the properties of that file, you see under type of file, here you see some extension is there here. Okay, some extension is there here. What is that? Dot xlsx. What does it mean? Dot xlsx means this file belongs to Excel. Okay, so if I want to tell the computer to search for the Excel files, then I should type dot xlsx. So this dot divide the file name and the extension name. So first of all, file name rk, then dot xlsx. From dot, extension will begin. Here what I will do, I will click after the rk, then dot xlsx. So when I type this dot xlsx, rk dot xlsx means what? Only file name should be rk and it should be the Excel file. In this way it will appear. Suppose I will delete all these things. Suppose if I want to view only Excel files, what I will do, I will type dot xlsx. Here you see all the Excel files are displaying. Whatever the files, Excel files are there in this folder, only those files are appearing and nothing else. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, so this is what? Only Excel files. In case if you want to view only Word files, so Word file will have what extension? Dot docx. Right click. Here you see dot docx extension is there. Okay, if I type in this search box dot docx, then it will show only word related files. Only word files it will display. In case if you type dot pdf, it will show only pdf files. So why it is showing even though it is Excel? So let us see the format. It is dot xlsx. So me too don't me too also confused about it. So this file should not appear by, but why it is showing? Okay, let us retype it again. Dot pdf. Yes, again it is showing. So leave it. So I me too also not understanding. So it will show pdf means what? Only pdf file should appear. So this is what about how to search for the files. Sometimes what may happen, suppose if you want to search, okay, suppose if you type here subject 1. So whatever the files will have, see here in the file name subject 1 is not there. But inside that file, the spelling is there. This means you can type the text. If you remember, you can type the text, means you can type the content of the file also. This means you can not only search the files by file name and extension name, but also content also, depend based on the content also you can search. And one more important thing is there. Here, suppose you want to search for the files with starting with D. Okay, so here you see if you type only simple D means what? Whatever the file name is having D, it is showing all those files. Okay, it is showing Divya, document, and all these files it is showing. But what I want, only the first letters of the file name should be D and remaining whatever it can be. So if I want to search that, what I have to do? I have to use wildcards. Which cards? wildcards. Wildcards. What is this wildcards? Star symbol and question mark symbol. Star symbol means all. Suppose if I type after D, if I type star means what? After D, whatever the text it can be. Okay. Then D star. Then it will show whatever the things are there, it will show that. Then dot. If I type dot means what? What it is looking for? After D star dot xlsx. So there is no xls files. If I try for doc means what? See, with the D, two files are there. Okay, in this way we can search. Okay, suppose d star dot star, all files it is showing. In case here uh, first letter is D and the second letter is I, so it is showing D and DI, both are DI. Suppose if I change the file name, okay, what I will do, Dayani, Dayani. If I type like this, if I type DI star means it will search for only DI, okay, dot XLSX. Oh, it is Word document, no, DOCX, like this, okay. So if you type DA, it will show only for DA. So in this way it will be very helpful. So when we find difficulty in locating the files, no, at that time we will remember this search. So do not forget to use search if you are unable to find the file. So here I am searching in this folder. So it will search only in this folder only, inside this folder only, not outside this folder. Suppose on desktop number of folders are there, okay, you are not sure in which folder your file is existing, then what should you do, go to open any folder, okay, and here select desktop. So on desktop whatever the files and folders are there, it will search in all those files. If you type .docx means what, it will show you all the files from whatever the files and folders are there on desktop, it will collect all that, okay. So in this way you should remember. See here, when you right click on any file, here you see, okay, this is what the file name and this is what the extension. This is the file name and this is the extension. So you should remember, to whichever the file you are working, you should know its file format. File format means what, extension. If you don't know about extension means what, you will find difficulty in your workplace. So this is a very important thing. Very few people knows about this search, okay. Large number of people don't know how to search, they will just they search manually. If you learn this video, if you learn these techniques, you can easily locate your file, right? Thank you so much. We'll see in the next video. Thank you. Please practice well.